Saigen, what's up my man? Happy birthday, how you doing?
Und seine Geschichte klingt eigentlich wie so ein modernes Märchen.
Guys, we are here in Brussels, Belgium. Always good to visit friends. We've known each other for probably now, what, 12 years? Almost 15 years feels like. And you know, I always appreciate the fact that I can visit my friends all over the world, visit the cities and the countries which are beautiful. Now we're just fueling the jet and we'll be off to the UK. I'll see you there, guys. Peace. Look at the fish. The fish are swimming in the water with the current. Isn't it the worst feeling to know that you will know where you're gonna end up? You're gonna swim from here, you're gonna end up being dead here. Try to jump out of the water. Be that fish, that first fish which starts walking. Don't be normal.
You don't know what you're doing to me, baby.
Today we are flying to Germany because I have an eye surgery. It's surgery, but it's a simple surgery, but still, it's my eyes. Let's see. Wish me luck. No, man. The white and that was the word. So after a productive day in London, we're now off to Germany. We're going to the airport now, and you know, you gotta wish me luck because I have this eye surgery, which is a quick one, but you know, it's the eye. I'll see you in Germany. Peace.
Saigen, what's up my man? Happy birthday, how you doing? Unfortunately you're not here in Dubai or else I wanted to hang out, but don't worry, I have a surprise for you. Yes, remember on my birthday when you had a little Bugatti prank pulled on me? Yeah, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna surprise Saigen on his birthday right now. I called your friends. You might be wondering why you're at the wrong airport right now. I thought, I don't think you need a private jet flight today. Instead, I've booked you in for something much nicer. I found the cheapest flight I could. So, get crack-a-lacking because you need to go to the normal airport and enjoy the cheapest flight I booked you. Alright, peace out bro, happy birthday. I hope you like it.
Oh my god, man. Don't think I'm not used to this. 7 years ago, I used to fly like this. But come on, man. Alright, what are we doing? What are we doing?
We actually have to check in now with all those people.
Look, I have no problems with this. Except time. And I was wondering why this all looks different here. Anyways.
No. Vamos a ir al vuelo.
Are we business?
I don't know. How do we...
On your ticket, say business class?
Do I have business? Economy?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I think it's economy.
Join the queue over there, please.
That's a crazy line.
Go, 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 go. It could be worse, man.
You have to go all the way back.
Please, yeah, just go back there. So we're there in zone E. Okay, sorry, we can't get the bag, we can't drop the bag here, otherwise your bag going to be left behind. Okay, just go around there, that's the exit there, where's the white barrier. Yeah. Okay?
Alright, thank you. We were on the wrong queue, man.
All the way up, sorry.
So what do I do now?
Where do we have to go now?
I don't know, man. Just need to go. Another line?
This is a final call. Please pick up your bags and make your way to our closing desk at desk 69.
Oh, there's another line. I had to take off my shoes, man.
In preparation, please, the ticket system provided.
So nice in this bus. Perfect bus. We now have to pick up our luggage. Where? We made it, guys. We're in Germany. Look, the flight wasn't actually that bad. The only big difference is you lose a lot of time. I'm in the wrong city for some reason, so I have to go get a train or a car or someone. We're off to surgery now. Alright guys, I'm about to go into surgery. So again, wish me luck. It's for this eye. Yeah, see you soon. Or hopefully. Just got out of it. It's still a bit red. So, moral of the story is Always do medical checkups. Stay on top of your health. For me, for years I didn't really realize it, but one of my eyes was getting worse. So after 5 years, we had to do the surgery. So I want you to be always happy and stay on top of it. Do your regular checkups. And I'll see you soon. Peace.
Und seine Geschichte klingt eigentlich wie so ein modernes Märchen, vom Plattenbau in Bremen zum Luxus-Penthouse nach Dubai. Wie der Sohn türkischer Einwanderer durch ganz viel harte Arbeit es bis nach ganz oben geschafft hat, das zeigen wir ihm jetzt.
Als Kind habe ich gesagt, ich möchte 5.000 Mark im Monat verdienen. Das habe ich geschafft.
Wie der Unternehmer ein Leben zwischen Luxus mit den Kardashians. Ich habe mich schon gewundert, warum du hier bist. Und Pizzaessen mit seinen Bremer Kumpels führt.
Ich glaube, das tut dir noch mal ganz gut, mit uns zu entspannen, einfach mal nicht geschäftig zu sein.
Und warum er seinen kompletten Reichtum sofort für seine Familie aufgeben würde.
Viele Leute sagen ja, Geld ist nicht wichtig, bis man dann eine 100.000 € Rechnung vom Arzt bekommt. Dann wird das plötzlich wichtig.